Hello everyone, good morning student. Dear student, in previous class, we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is for arithmetic progressions, and in that class we are going to take and discuss a very important formula related to that chapter. Means we discuss about the general term of the AP, we discuss about what is the concept of sequence and what is the concept of arithmetic progression, and also we take and discuss a very important formula related to the chapter arithmetic progression, means to find the nth term. To find the nth term, and the formula for nth term, to find the nth term is a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a be the first term, n be the number of terms, and d be your the common difference. Okay, now and also we take and solve some important questions based on that topic. Okay, dear students, now listen, in that class we are going to take and solve. We are going to take and solve, discuss some other important formula related to that chapter, and we take and solve some important question based on these topics. Okay, let's see. So now in today's we discuss some important formula related to that chapter, means to find the nth term of an AP. Your topic is to find the nth term, of an AP from the end, okay, this is the very important formula related to that chapter. We have to find the nth term of an AP from the end. So the formula of nth term from the end is nth term from end is L minus n minus 1 into d. This is the very important formula for that topic. L minus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here L is what? L is the last term of the AP. L is what? Last term of the AP. Okay. N is what? Number of terms, and D is what? Common difference. D is what? Common difference. Okay, so these are some important terms related to that formula. Now we take and solve some important question based on this formula. Okay, let's see. Now we take and solve some important formula related to some important question based on that topic. Determine the 10 term. The question is, we take some important question based on this topic. Determine the 10th term from the 10th term from the end of the AP, from the end of the AP, end of the AP 4 9 14 and also on comma 254. Okay, now let's see its solution. Yes, and here we determine the 10th term from the end of the given AP. Okay, let's see. Yes, first of all, we write the given AP, because this is AP na 4 5 9 5 14, common difference is same, so it is a what? AP, arithmetic progression. So first of all we write the given AP. Given AP is what? 4 9 14 and dot so on 254. Okay, here first term is what? That is 4. Common difference is what? 9 minus 4, that is what? 5. And last term is what? 254. This is your last term of the given AP. This is the last term of the given AP. Okay, dear students. Now, what I do? Since we find the 10 term from the end of the AP, here n is what? 10. Since we know that, first of all we write the formula. Since we know that nth term from the end is what? L minus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, 10th term from the end, that therefore 10th term from the end is what? We put the value of L as what? 254 minus n is what? N minus 1 into d is what? 5. Now we simplify them. This is 254 minus 9 into 5. That is 254 minus 45. Now we subtracting them. Let's see. We subtracting 254 and 45. We subtracting them. If we subtracting them, then we get what? 5 carry 14. This is 9. 0, 209. 209. This is the required solution of the given question. Thus, in this way, we can say that the 10 term from the end of the given AP is what? 10 term from the end of the AP is what? 209. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. Similarly, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on nth term from the end of an AP. Now we take and solve some important question based on AP. Okay, let's see. Now let's see. We are going to take some important question. The sum of fifth and ninth term of an AP. The sum of the question is the sum of fifth and ninth term. Fifth and ninth terms of an AP is 72. Is 72, and the sum of 7th and the sum of 7th and the sum of 7th and 12th term is 7 and 12th terms is 97. 97. Find the first term and the common difference. Find the first term and the common difference. Now let's see its solution. First of all, just let A be the first term and D be the common difference of the given AP. Okay, first of all, let us take A be the first term and d be the common difference of the given AP, then its nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into b. Okay, now according to question, the sum of fifth and ninth terms of an AP is given as 72. Sum of fifth term and ninth term, यानी कि A5 plus A9 is equal to what? 72. So A5 is A plus 4D, A9 A plus A9 minus 1 into D according to that formula. So 9D is equal to what? 72. Now we simplify them. This is 2A plus this is 12D is equal to 72. Now we take 2 as common, so A plus 6D is equal to 72. Now 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12. So we have A plus 6D is equal to 36. Take equation number 1. Take equation number 1. Similarly, therefore we apply the second condition. Similarly, what we have? The sum of 7th and 12th term, यानी कि A7 plus A12. 7th term or 12th term, because the sum है, it is what? 97. Now we put the values of 7th and 12th term. Okay. So A7 is what? A plus 6D here, A plus 11D is equal to 97. So we get as what? This is 2A plus 17D is equal to 97. Take equation number 2. Take equation number 2. Now what I do? Now we just solve equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2, and we find the value of A and D. Okay. Now solving equation 1 and 2, we get one is what? We write that one because of here 2n, so we write here this is 2A plus, we don't take the common 2, no, we take that is 1 is equal to 72, and here this is 2A is, so we take that equation. Okay, plus 17D is equal to 97. Now what I do? Now we subtracting them. What I do is now we subtracting them. So we get what? So minus. So plus 2A minus 2A cancel to each other. Now what I get? Minus 17 or plus 12. That is what? Minus 5D is equal to, this is what? 97 minus 2. So minus 7 minus 2, that is what? 5. This is 2. So D cancel, minus 7 cancel to 5 5 the 25. So the value of D is what? This is 5. Thus in this way we find the common difference of the given AP is what? 5. Now we put the value of D in equation 1. Now from equation 1 we get, now from equation 1 we put the value of D as 5. So A plus 6 into 5 is equal to 36. So A plus 30 is equal to 36. 36 minus 30, A is equal to 36 minus 30, that is 6. Thus the value of A is 6. Thus in this way the first term of the given AP is 6 and the common difference of the given AP is 5. Okay, if we find the required AP, then the AP is, now if we find the AP, now AP is in the form of A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D and dot so on. Yani means we put the value of A is what? 6, this is 6 plus D means what? 5. Now A plus 2 into 5. Okay, and dot so on means A means what? 6 now. So we get what? 6, 11, 16. Okay, and dot so on. So in this way we find the required AP. So this is the method to solve that type of questions. Okay, so please just do more and more practices of each and every question which we discuss in that class. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important question of your chapter arithmetic progression. Okay, let's see. Now your question is, now we take some important question. Find the your question is find the 12th 24th term of the AP. 12th 24th term of the AP given by 9, 13, 17, 9, 13, 17, 21, 25 and dot so on. Okay, and dot. So on. Now, what is the process to solve that type of question? Let's see, dear students. Dear student, in that question, find the 12th, 24th term of the AP. This is the given AP. So let's see. So first of all, we write the given AP is 9, 13, 17, 21, 25 and this is the collection of this is sequence and this is AP. Because of the difference between two successive terms remains constant, which is 4. So the given sequence is an AP. Okay, now here first term of the given series is what? AP. Here 9 is the first term. Okay, A is equal to 9 and the common difference D is what? 13 minus 9 or 17 minus 13 and dot on each equal to what? 4. The common difference is 4. You know that just I discussed about the nth term of the given AP, A plus n minus 1 into D. Here AB is the first term of the given sequence, AP first term, and D be the what? Common difference of the AP, common, and n is the number of terms. Okay, so there are some important information related to that formula. Now let's see here. The first term is what? 9. Common difference is what? 4. And now first of all, n is equal to 12. We find the 12th term, so we take n is equal to 12. Since you know that nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A12. 12th term is what? We put the value of A and D. So A is what? 9 plus this is 12 minus 1 into D is what? 4. We get 9 plus this is 11 into 4, that is 9 plus 44. A, this is 53. Thus the value of the 12th term is what? This is the first answer. Now similarly we find the 12th term of the AP. Now since the 12th term A12 is what? We put the value of this is what? We get as what? A12, no? Now A plus 12 minus 1 into D. So A is what? 9 plus 24th term. Now we find the 24th term. So here we write 24 minus 1 into D. Okay, and that is 23 into the value of D is what? 4. So 9 plus 8, 92. This is 101. This is the another answer. Okay, so using the formula to find the nth term of an AP, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, now we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see this based on arithmetic progression. Now just we take and solve some other important question related to your chapter. Which term of the sequence? The question is which term of the sequence of the sequence 4 9 11 4 9 11 sorry 4 9 14 4 9 14 19 and dot so on is 124. 124. Now let's see its solution. Okay, now let's see its what is the process to solve that type of question. Here we find what? Here we find the number of terms, and which term of the AP is this. In that question, let the nth term of the given AP is what? 124. Let the nth term of the given AP is what? 124. That is A given as 124. The first term of the given sequence is what? 4, and the common difference is what? 9 minus 4. Okay, or 14 minus 9 or 19 minus 14 is equal to what? 5. Because the common difference is same, so the given sequence is what? NAP. So here common difference is 5, and we find the number of n terms. Okay, now since we know that, okay, this one. Now what I do, we know that, dear friends, nth term of the AP, the nth term of the AP, the nth term of the AP is what? A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we put each and every value in that formula. So we get An is equal to A is what? 4 plus n minus 1. An we put An is equal to what? 124. Okay, and value of A, and we find that n minus 1 into the value of D is what? 5. Now we just simplify them. Okay, so let's see. So this is n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 124 minus 4, so we get 120. Okay, so the value of n minus 1 is equal to 120 upon 5. So 5 to the 10. Okay, this is 24. Thus the value of n is equal to 24 minus 1 transfer that side plus 1 is equal to 25. This is the required solution of the given question. Hence, in this way we can say that the 25th term of the given sequence is what? 124. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, now we find some other important question related to arithmetic progression. Let's see it as well.
तो जो पढ़ा रहे हैं वो सही करेंगे। अभी क्लास टीचर नहीं बने,
बन गए। नाउ जैसे
नहीं तो आपके सामने लग रहे हैं।
Now, dear friends, we take and solve some important question related to arithmetic progression, which is what? If the 10th term of an AP, if the 10th term of an AP, the 10th term of an AP is 52, is 52 and 17th term and 17th term is 20 more than is 20 more than the 13th term. The 13th term. Find the AP. Find the AP. This is one of the most important question. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. Okay, let's see. Here your question is, if the 10th term of an AP is 52 and 17th term is what? 20 more than the 13th term. Find the AP. Find the AP. Now, first of all, let's take solution of this very important question. In that question, let A be the first term and B be the common difference of the given AP. Then its nth term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is बंद कर दीजिए. This is the nth term. Okay, now according to statement, according to question, what I do? If the 10th term of the given AP is what? 52, means A10 is given as what? 10 term is 52 na? So we form an equation A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 52, that is A plus 9D is equal to 52. Take equation number 1. Okay, and 17 term is 20 more than 13 term. 17 term, A17 is what? 20 more than the 13 term. A13 plus 20. This is the concept of the given question. Now we put the value of A17 means A plus 16D, A13, A plus 12D according to that formula, plus 20. Now A cancel to each other, so 16D minus 12D is equal to what? 20. That is what? 4D is equal to 20. No, 4 5s are 20. So D is equal to 5. Now and from equation 1, let's see, from equation 1 we put the value of D. So A plus 9 into 5 is equal to 52. That is the value of A is what? 52 minus 9 5 is 45. So we get 7. Thus the value of A is what? 7. In this way we find the first term as well as the common difference of the given AP. Now what we find? We find the AP, and just I discussed about that the given AP is of the form, thus the required AP, thus the required AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and dot so on. A is what? 7. So 7 comma, this is 7 plus 5 and 7 plus 2 into D is 5 and dot so on. So we get 7 comma 12 7 plus 10 यानी कि 7 plus 12 plus 17 and comma and dot so and dot one. This is the required AP. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. Thus, in this way, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on AP. Now in next class we take and solve some other important topic and question of your the chapter AP. Okay, now thanks to all.